DIY ribbon dress.
Super easy and fun.
Yay! Big H,
Little I.
hi! Today we're gonna be making ribbon dresses. Use a thick cardboard paper.
Draw a torso shape or download these templates for free at bigh.com.
Free? Wow! Cut out the torso shape. So originally we made, we were using these things that Michael's used to put like yarn on, which is where I first got the idea of making these ribbon dresses. But now we made it easier for you by making it so that you can download a free template on our website.
Cut out the ribbons.
And arrange them on the torso. Be creative with what you make, and there's not really a right or a wrong.
Be creative whatever you have. Beads, stickers, and
Ribbons. Duh. I use gel pens too, and these still look adorable. It's on one of the ending dresses in this video because at the time I didn't really need other stuff. I just loved my materials. And you can be creative with whatever you have.
that's what I just said, didn't I?
Yes, you did. I'm very ignorant of you. So originally, my mom was going to do it like that, but then when she was making it, she decided no. Use glue. Very, very little glue. Anyway, so tacky glue kind of bleeds through, and keep it by the order of the layers, because if you put on buttons first, can you imagine a normal dress with buttons first? That would be really weird, don't you think? I know you secretly agree with me. So, if you can see that kind of like pearl choker thing in the background, that's me, and I'm making my own dress, but you won't see me until I'm like half done. I'll tell you about that later.
Yeah, soon.
Yeah. And so for my mom, she's making kind of like cute stripy dress, and for me, I'm making like this kind of wrap dress for the top and then a lace skirt. You'll see it later. It's really pretty.
Clean out the edges and it's done.
Sometimes you want a little, for the bottom, you might want some lace to turn through, so it's kind of like a nice pretty dress. Look at my mom being all fancy.
Let's make
More dresses. This one that my mom's making right now, it's gonna look like kind of Gucci. You see my dress? Way too much tacky glue. See me right there. I'm like, oh no, the tacky glue's gonna bleed through, and then I'm gonna be like, yeah, you just saw that.
Tacky glue
May leave marks. So it's like right now I'm like panicking, trying to get everything the same. And see, if you want to have it like an overlap pattern with the lace, then you have to start with the bottom first and go up. Friendly tip.
Yeah. These are super easy. Add accessories. Any accessories like
A Gucci pearl necklace. And this is like the fun part because this can be anything you want to be. Like right now, my mom's making like a dress that a rich millionaire lady would wear. Clean out the edges. Say hi to everyone.
hi.
So there's this thing I've been doing at school where I make my little brother say hi to all my friends, and he always tries to run away. So right now I'm gonna make him say hi to all of you because there's no way for him to run away. Say hi.
Hi.
You get it, guys? It's our logo. I'm so sneaky.
Ooh, looks
This
like
is the finished products. We're gonna show you a lot more of these, and on our website there's a lot more dolls. So if you're thinking, oh, is this the only one? Oh, is there any others? Just go onto our website. The last one is my favorite.
Also find us at Etsy.
Subscribe!
Please subscribe. Have a happy afternoon, night, or
Morning.
I'm hungry.